So this video is a continuation now of the tutorial on building a Phonegap application that captures images and audio files and works disconnected. So this is the component that we've built up until this point, and we're going to just wrap this component right now in a panel card because so that it scrolls when we run it in our Phonegap shell application. And then I'm going to just publish the component to the live preview folder, and then I'm going to switch over to my phone over here, so you can see there's my phone running right now. And let me just resize this window a little bit, and we're running inside a Phonegap shell over here. So if we go back to the launcher here, you'll see here's the MediaFiles component right now that we're going to run inside this Phonegap shell. So I want to click there on MediaFiles, and that brings up the components. So there's no records right now in the list, so let's go here and click on, say, data, and then just capture some type in some test data, and then we'll go and click on the camera button, and we'll basically now go and take a picture. I'll take a picture of this screen over there, and go and hit use photo, okay. And now I'm going to scroll here and then go to the audio recorder now and start recording an audio. So I'll go ahead there. This is a test of the audio recording, and then I'll press done. And then I'm going to hit save, which has gone now and added a new record to our list control. You can see the blue icon there indicating that this is a new record that has not yet been synchronized. And then I'm going to go and press the synchronize button, and when I press the synchronize button, you'll see that the media files are going to get uploaded first to the alpha server, and there'll be a progress bar that displays across the bottom of the screen while those media files are being uploaded. So if we now go to our SQL database, and let's go here and hit the refresh button, and then if we switch over to the form view, we'll see that the SQL database right now has the file name of the image that was uploaded and also the file name of the audio file that was uploaded. And as you recall, when we defined the list, we set the stored template to basically use the short file name with the folder prefix where the image was actually going to be stored. And then the same thing is true here. My audios is the prefix, and then here's the short file name following that. So now the next thing that I'm going to show is I'm going to actually refresh this component, and you'll see that when I refresh the component, the media files are going to be downloaded from the alpha server, from this location on the alpha server, and they're going to be stored in the file system on the device. So when I go here and press the refresh button to reload this component, you'll see that basically across the top of the screen you should have seen a progress bar that showed the progress while the media files were being downloaded from the alpha server to the file system on the device. So these files now, this picture over there for record number 1, and also the audio file over here, basically have been downloaded from the alpha server and are now stored on the mobile device. So basically when I press play right now, we can actually hear the audio playing. So what we've shown in this video is how to configure a list control so that the Phonegap application can capture images and audio files, and then when you synchronize the data, how those media files can be uploaded, in this case to the alpha server, but we could just as easily have configured the list control to upload the data to Amazon S3 and store the actual data itself in our SQL database on the alpha server. And in that case, instead of storing file names over here, we would have had URLs pointing to the files on Amazon S3. Thanks very much for watching.